Based in Austin, Texas, Lift Aircraft started their project in October of 2017 in Budapest, revealed itself on December 11th, 2018 to the public through social media and news articles, and made its first public appearance at the South by Southwest 2019 conference and festivals are held in March in Austin, Texas, USA. The Lift Hexa, originally the Hexa, is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL, single-passenger, wingless multicopter, ultralight aimed primarily at tourism and short-distance travel. The Hexa aircraft was designed by Robert Kovacs, who's based in Hungary. Lift was founded by Matt Chasen, a serial entrepreneur, investor, and adventure sports enthusiast. While getting his MBA at the University of Texas in Austin 2003, Chasen founded UShip, the first and largest online marketplace for shipping, which today has over $200 million in annual gross sales. The Hexa is a one-passenger eVTOL, multi-helicopter amphibious modular aircraft capable of landing on both land and water. The aircraft has 18 independently controlled propellers and 18 electric motors mounted on a motor stroud assembly, resembling a web of 6 inward-pointing sectors with 12 outer and 6 inner electrically powered propellers. This allows the aircraft to be controlled by varying the individual motor speed of each propeller and allows the pilot to have excellent visibility. The aircraft is powered by multiple battery packs. A 1/5 subscale prototype first flew by remote control in January of 2018 in Hungary. The company completed its first unscrewed flight on a full-scale Hexa on a grassy field in July of 2018 in Lago Vista, Texas, USA. The aircraft has a front windscreen and the sides of the cockpit are without doors. The aircraft has a cruise speed of 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, a maximum cruise speed of 63 miles per hour, 55 knots, and has a maximum flight time of 15 minutes plus reserve. The Hexa is a semi-autonomous piloting, and its stability is accomplished by flight control computers. After training in Lift's virtual reality simulators, the passenger can use the single 3-axis joystick or can engage in autopilot mode using a small touchscreen. If the pilot lets go of the joystick, the aircraft will automatically go into hover. The triply redundant flight computer system continuously calculates the energy required to return home, so regardless of the pilot's actions, the Hexa will automatically return and land with the battery as it still has a sufficient return charge. It can also automatically land in designated safe areas or be controlled remotely by Lift-trained safety pilots. The vehicle can fly with up to 6 motors disabled, but is also equipped with an autonomous ballistic parachute. The aircraft has 3 redundant flight computers, 3 redundant sensors, and has sensors for collision avoidance. Each motor has an underslung battery, which the company says makes for quick changeouts between flights and puts the risk of fire away from the passenger and under the propeller airflow. Having the batteries next to the electric motors also saves extra cabling weight. The Hexa's all-carbon fiber airframe is supported by 4 parameter floats and a large central float under the open cockpit that allows it to make a soft landing on water and the ground. The aircraft also has cushioning for unexpected hard landings. The Hexa qualifies as a powered ultralight under the FAA regulations, so it requires no pilot license to fly. To be considered an ultralight, an aircraft must have a maximum empty weight of 254 pounds, 115 kilograms, but an additional 30 pounds, 13.7 kilograms, is allowed for each float. and more weight is allowed for the 28-pound, that's 12.7 kilogram parachute system. It can carry a 250-pound, 113 passenger for up to 15 minutes while retaining 25% battery life. EXA has a total empty weight of 432 pounds, that's 196 kilograms. Lyft plans to set up numerous locations where anyone will be able to rent the aircraft in the world's first experiential entertainment business based on an entirely new type of personal electric aircraft. The cost will be around $250 per flight. The company currently relies on input by interested customers to determine its first locations in scenic, uncongested areas near major cities, tourist destinations, and entertainment hubs. The first flight was on May 25, 2018. The first manned test flight was November 1st, 2018. Matt Chasen, pilot, in an update in their December 11, 2019 e-newsletter, Lyft, they said that they were starting the production of their aircraft and that it will be a lighter airframe this time, wider electric motors, redesigned landing gear for greater stability, and have a fourth flight computer. This company is also planning a 25-city tour in the US. On May 20th, 2022, on a magazine article for eVTOL, the company restated they designed the eVTOL multicopter, EXA, as an ultralight aircraft under Federal Aviation Administration, FAR Part 103 regulations, and Lyft Aircraft tends to market the aircraft for recreational and sporting use. This is due to the complex certification requirements for eVTOL aircraft by the FAA, and the company would like to start selling their aircraft as soon as possible without a massive paperwork delay from the FAA. Lyft is planning on building vertiports in open, unpopulated areas to adhere to Part 103 requirements, and in addition, the company noted that Part 103 does not allow ultralight aircraft to fly over congested areas. Lyft Aircraft, a pioneer company in the field of electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL aircraft, has been steadily working towards their vision of revolutionizing personal aviation. Since December 2019, the company has been dedicated to building their first aircraft for serial production, with the aim of making futuristic air travel accessible to the masses. With the progress they have made so far, Lyft Aircraft is poised to achieve significant milestones in the coming years. Looking ahead to 2023 and beyond, Lyft Aircraft has set ambitious goals to enhance the capabilities and safety features of their aircraft. One of the key objectives is the implementation of parachute deployment systems, which would provide an added layer of security in emergency situations. By incorporating this technology, Lyft Aircraft aims to ensure the well-being of their passengers and instill confidence in the reliability of their eVTOL multicopter. In addition to parachute deployment, Lyft Aircraft is focused on expanding the operational envelope of the aircraft. This entails pushing the boundaries of flight parameters, such as altitude and speed, in order to maximize performance and improve overall flying experiences. Through rigorous acoustic testing analysis, Lyft Aircraft aims to optimize the noise levels generated by their eVTOL aircraft, making them more environmentally friendly and socially acceptable in an urban environment. With their ambitious goals and dedications to advancing personal aviation, Lyft Aircraft is poised to make a significant impact in the transportation industry. Their commitment to safety, technological innovation, and environmental sustainability positions them as a key player in the development of eVTOL aircraft. As Lyft Aircraft continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can anticipate a future where air travel becomes more accessible, efficient, and environmentally friendly for everyone. As Lyft aircraft continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can anticipate a future where air travel becomes more accessible, efficient, and environmentally friendly for everyone.